Right, so after we clean the pintles and de-varnish them, there was residue and varnish in the pintle and needs to come out. The question is, how do you ensure the pintle is clear? So we created this special pintle gun, loads the pintles in, and as you can see, pintles are clear and it blows out any dissolved varnish and whatnot that is remaining in there. We can actually feel by hand, because of the pintle, it's a circular spray pattern. We can feel if there's a break in the circular spray pattern on our hand, telling us we need to put it back in the ultrasonic. Voila. Pintle gun.